Okay. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Holy freaking cow. Your girl is 1 year older. I am old AF. I'm 26 now, and I look like I'm a 14-year-old with this like non-existent boobs or butt. Honestly, it's okay because I kind of love being a part of the itty bitty titty community. So yeah, I'm just gonna look like a 14-year-old the rest of my life. I'm okay with that. But you know, the second I turn 70, I'm gonna look real old. So today we are doing a what I got for my birthday today. I don't normally do these types of videos, but as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I have a huge announcement. I got myself the best birthday present ever. Also, follow me on Instagram at MissTiffanyMa if you guys haven't already. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Woo! P.S. My birthday was March 31st. It's been like a full month later. Honestly, having your birthday March 31st, technically it's like April. So like April was really my birthday month. So the first person that got me a bunch of presents this year was my boyfriend, Matthew. Matthew like killed it this year. I was not expecting all of this beautiful stuff that I got from him. So I just wanted to show you guys the first thing he got me. He got me a freaking Burton snowboard. This thing is beautiful. He actually got me this because my snowboard that I actually have right now is too small for me. And then he didn't stop there. He spoiled me all weekend long. Also, he got me a snowboard holder because I actually do not have one of these. I just throw my snowboard into my trunk of my car and then into my house, and like snow and dirt gets everywhere because of that. So this is gonna just contain the mess. I feel like Burton is like a legit like snowboard brand, and now that I have Burton's, I'm like, yo, I'm legit now. Although I look more legit than I'm actually legit. Oh my god, you guys, I didn't tell you guys the best present Matt got me. Oh my god. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys probably didn't know this. Matt is actually a musician, and he is a rapper, and he produces his own music, writes his own music, and back in the day in like January, February, Matt was like, what do you want for your birthday? And I jokingly was like, I literally don't want anything. All you gotta do is like write me a song. And I kid you not, he wrote me a song. He also like released it into the world, which I think is so crazy because I wasn't expecting him to sing me a song. It's called Lost in You. If you guys have been following Matt on Instagram or me on Instagram, you guys have probably already saw it or listened to it.
Hey, you cold like the winter time. Yeah, I'ma tell you how I feel for real, cause you and I got something so special, it's crazy. Never thought I'd find a woman make me want babies. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.
Yeah, that is the song. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. I feel like super loved because of that song, and every time like I get a little like ticked off or upset at Matt, I just like listen to the song and I'm like, everything is gonna be okay. The next present I got is actually for my friends Megan and Allison. They're my friends from UCLA. They knew that I love the dry bar, and they gave me a gift card, and with that gift card, I got myself my favorite products ever from the dry bar, and I got the Detox Dry Conditioner. I actually have never used this before, but I'm excited to use it. But these are my favorite products. These are their dry shampoos. I promise you guys, these are legit dry shampoos. Every time I use these products, I feel like my hair is nice and clean, but they are very, very strong. So I would suggest only using this on day like 3 or 4. So I got one for brunettes. I actually prefer the white one over the brunette one. The brunette one, I can't actually see it like going into my hair. The next present I got is from Mia and Lauren. They got me a bunch of stuff. Honestly, I was so shook at how many things are in this box because there's a lot. So this thing is filled to the brim with like kitchen stuff. If you don't know why they got me a bunch of kitchen stuff, then I don't know what to tell you. So the first thing they got me was a cup that said T and M. I'm not sure if the T and the M is for like Tiffany and Matt, or it's because my last name is literally TiffanyMa. They're so pretty. I got a cute little spatula. Look how pretty this thing is. I've been baking my cookies every single week almost. I needed to stop for Coachella because Coachella bod. They also got me a bunch of tea towels. This is so pretty. And then I got another tea towel. This is what this one looks like. Oh, something smells so good in here. What is it? You can smell this the second you open the box. Oh, this smells like Morocco. Then I got these little teaspoons, so pretty. And then I got little mittens. Oh my god, I'm actually dying because I love home decor. Home decor is literally my favorite thing ever, and this is so cute. I love that everything they got me is like a matching set because there's nothing worse than like having like 3 different types of patterns everywhere. Also, I got a little apron, and this is actually so cute. I would probably totally wear this as a dress. Oh my god, these are so, I'm sorry. Everything is so cute. Everything is so aesthetic. They got me the cutest little teaspoon measures. Lauren, Mia, thank you so much. I feel so spoiled. The next present I got is from my friend Amy. We were college roommates together. We're still really good friends, and she knows I am a candy fiend. So she got me candy from Sugarfina, which I freaking love candy from Sugarfina, but also it's so freaking pricey. But she got me 3 boxes, and I definitely ate a box because I couldn't hold off on it. It's been like a full month. The fact that I've only eaten 1 out of these 3 boxes is like saying so much. But this box is so freaking cute. How aesthetic is this box? I kind of want to like keep the box forever, but I don't know what I'd do with it. The next present I got is from Jeremy, which is Lauren's boyfriend. Lauren, Jeremy, Matt, and I always go on double dates, so like he's also my friend too. He's not like Lauren's boyfriend. I feel like he's an actual friend. He got me Moe. What? That is some fancy stuff. Your girl does not drink champagne, but if she's gonna drink champagne, I guess it's gonna be Moe. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly. As you can tell, I'm not bougie enough to be drinking this. This is gonna stay in its pretty little box forever, and then maybe in like 20 years when like the zombie apocalypse happens, I'll like bust it out and drink this. Or maybe on my deathbed. The next present I got is from Jesse. Jesse is a photographer. So if you guys need a bomb-ass photographer, Jesse is so good. He's so nice. He got me a little birthday gift, and he's a college student. I remember when I was in college, I was too broke to give anyone a birthday present. I just feel like super grateful that he even like thought of me or even knew about my birthday. So Jesse, shout out to you. Thank you so much. So he got me a bunch of stuff, but the first thing he got me is a little reusable boba straw. As you guys know, I am the queen of boba. I drink boba so much so that I swear my pee smells differently because I drink so much tea and milk, which honestly is not that good for you. Also, he got me a bunch of candy. I don't know how he knew that my favorite candy is like gummy candy. So he got Mike and Ike's and Swedish Fish. So if you guys need any candy, hit me up. And then he also got me some lemon heads. I actually haven't had this since I was like a little kid, so I'm excited to have these again. And then some Sour Patch Kids. That was everything that I got from Jesse. The last person to get me stuff is Gina. I recently met Gina. Gina actually owns a jewelry line called Girls Crew. She knew it was my birthday coming up, so she invited me over to go to like their warehouse and pick up whatever I wanted, and she literally spoiled me with so much stuff. So I'm like so happy that she did that. And their packaging is so cute. And the first thing I got from them is this ring. I got Matt a matching ring as well. As you guys know, I love my ring candy, so if you guys want to check out their store, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. But their Instagram is Shop Girls Crew, and they just have the cutest jewelry. Some of these necklaces are so beautiful, and it's just like a silver necklace. And then I got another necklace that comes in this little cute box like this. This one is so dainty. It's really hard to see it on camera. Oh, I love this necklace. This is also a 2-layered necklace right here. It has opal on it. Honestly, I know how it is to like start your own clothing brand or jewelry brand. I admire her so much. She's like killing the game. Here are some earrings that I got. These are hoop earrings with opal on them. They're so pretty. Oh my god, you guys. I can't get them in. Oh. Yeah, I got them in. I got them in. Like, look how pretty they are. I love that it has like little opals. I just think it adds like a really cool look. And I got a bunch more stuff from them too. So if you guys like want to check out their store, honestly, I'm not paid for this, but I just like love them so much. I've been following them for over a year before Gina and I finally decided to meet up, and I just love her to death. So. And of course, as you guys know, I also got myself a birthday present, and holy freaking cow, I got myself the best birthday present ever, you guys. I got myself a house. Oh, I can't believe I'm saying that. Like, I don't know how I'm saying that out loud. Like, that is crazy. Your girl got herself a house by herself in Los Angeles. 4 years ago, this would have been a crazy thing to imagine. I was just graduating UCLA. I had no money. I didn't know how I was gonna survive. And now I legitimately saved enough money for myself to buy myself a house. So that is so crazy. I am so thankful. I wanted to show you guys some footage of me buying my house. Here is some footage of when I got the news that I officially got the house, which is crazy. So crazy. So here it is. I just got off the phone with my real estate agent. I got my dream house. I cannot believe it, you guys. I am shook to the core. This is like the best birthday present ever. In freaking 3 days, I turned 26, and I can't believe at 25 years old, I'm getting my dream house. There was no way I was gonna get this house. It was too like pretty, too beautiful for me, and I got the I got the house. Every other house that I've ever put an offer on, I've loved the houses, but it was never my forever house. But this house is like, holy cow, I can see my entire future in this house when I'm freaking 50 years old with grandkids. My little grandkids are gonna be running around this house with me. I'm gonna be chasing them, giving them candy and cookies, and they're gonna be crazy, and their parents are gonna hate me because I'm just gonna make them high off of sugar. Like, I can just imagine my entire future. So I'm sorry, I look crazy right now. I just woke up, just talked to my real estate agent, just figuring out what's going on with my life. I got the house. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you guys so much. And then here is some footage of today. So I'm not gonna give you guys a full-on house tour, but I'm just gonna give you guys like a little snippet of it. You guys will definitely see an empty house tour, but for now, I don't wanna like spoil it for you guys. Friday is the day I get my keys. Hopefully nothing bad happens till then.
Cover on the reset.
Oh, okay, they haven't done it yet? Oh my god. Empty house. Wow, you guys, I can't believe this is happening. Well, it's not bad in here. Thank you guys so much. That is it with today's video. So I love you guys so much. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys made it to the end of this video, then just comment a happy face. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, go do that at MissTiffanyMa. But yeah, I gotta go. I gotta film another video, which is me like cleaning up this house because my house is crazy right now. So I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.